we only have one planet. But reality is that we're behaving as if we had four. That's why we all need to act. At NNE, our focus lies on 3 of the 9 planetary boundaries where our impact matters the most: climate, water, and biodiversity. Our target is a 50% impact reduction in our projects by 2030. We do this because of customer demands, but most importantly, because we are facing an existential threat to our planet. And we only have one planet, remember? So, how do we make our actions count? By considering everything from design and construction to operation in our projects. By setting sustainability targets that really matter. By making clever designs to meet those targets. And by developing our competencies to ensure that we can actually deliver. Because as world-leading pharma engineers, we understand the complexity in pharma manufacturing and the need to engineer circular solutions. You know, reduce, reuse, recycle. That's how we do sustainability at NNE.